Oh! He scores! Oh! Today we are reviewing this basketball board. We're going to go ahead and open this up, show you guys everything that you get. And see how well it performs. Okay, looks like we get 3 basketballs. Get your air pump, 3 basketballs, some stickers, your board, looks like a battery, remote control, bolts and brackets and everything else. Okay. For pumping up, just stick it on like this. Place it in. Just slowly do it. You don't have to go too fast. And just go until the basketball is completely round. Okay, I believe that's getting pretty close. And just pull it out. There we go. Basketball. This board is going to be protected by clear film. So make sure on both sides you remove that. You can take this off if you need to get to it on the other side. Now you can set up the board like this, and we're going to go ahead and put some bolts down in. Now the directions are really not that good, so we don't really care about that. It's pretty common sense, and you know, you can do it however you want. And if you really want to be specific, if you really have to do it perfect, I'm not a perfectionist. I don't care about things being perfect. If you really need to, you guys can look on the listing for that. But I don't care if we put a wrong bolt or something. We're going to do it how we want to do it because I'm not perfectionist. Alright, so they give you the AAA batteries that it needs. Like, there's some people that have to do everything perfect, which is fine if that's the kind of person you are. You know, you have to have the perfect bolt lined up. It's got to be the perfect tightness. Nah. We do things, we get it done, and everything always works great. Alright, so we can turn it on and off. Underneath here, we got our reset there as well. Okay. Here comes Scott Iverson! Whoo, he shoots! He scores! Yee-hoo! He scores! Yee-hoo! He scores! Scott Iverson! Yeah, he scores! Oh! He scores! Oh! So, here's the thing. The sensor right here has to be set up where it's lifted higher that it can't pick you up. If that sensor picks you up moving, as you can see, it's just going to add up. It's going to say you're scoring when you're really not. You want to be in a better lighting as well because lighting makes all the difference.